Hello, you guys. This is your branding guy, and you can see, my face is getting so hairy right now. And usually, I have a shave. I shave this part, and I'll just be tie it up. But we're going into November, and I'm definitely going to participate in No Shave November. So I'm pretty much growing up my beard. This is early morning rise. I don't want to, I'm just coming to you all just to just say, yes, this is early morning rise. And I'm definitely want to just say this that I've got a unboxing coming soon. So stay tuned for that. I got an unboxing coming soon, right? Um, I want you all to know I have an unboxing coming soon. So stay tuned. So this trying to get ready to get lit. This trying to get ready to get lit. I'm talking about unboxings. I'm talking about I'm getting ready to travel as well. So I'll be doing some vlogs. So stay tuned. This trying to get ready to get lit. And I'm definitely gonna post things on this channel for as to what I'm about to do, what I'm getting ready to do. We had a late night with Dave. I hope to bring that back as well too, because this is what this channel is about. To pretty much inspire to share opportunities with you all, to just lift people's spirit. And that's what I do. So I have some things coming, um, far as in business wise, different entrepreneurial things I do. That's still in play. You can ask me. You want to actually want to save money on your travel. You could, if you want to make some money, you can come to me about anything in that field. But what they're trying to really about, and actually what it's really about, it's a mixture of things I do here. I do review videos. I'm gonna start getting deep into that. I do early morning rise. Like today, I'm just doing that. I do late night with Dave, which I haven't done that. I do giveaways. Um, and that's what this channel's about. I'm gonna make this channel keep on to those things because that's what my banner says. That's what it's people know me as and stuff like that. Opportunities, I have that. That's in play, but I need to make this channel more lit like never before because I'm getting ready to go into my 100th subscription and I want to actually give you all something, than just, sitting here in the same area, but give y'all something that y'all could really be, looking for, like videos or unboxing reviews and stuff like that, different things like in that nature. But I have some things coming. I'm excited about it. You can also follow me on my Facebook, which is where I go live every day. I try to go live every day, and let's stay connected. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one.